Hi, Jeremy. I'm doing a website analysis for you because basically you asked for it, and I think it's going to be great what you're going to learn from this. I have about 5 minutes to tell you. That's why I'm going to be moving right along. We're in the Google Map Pack here. I looked under the search drone videography El Paso. You rank number 11 in the business map pack, which is really good considering the things that it looks like it's a brand new website and there's not a whole lot of SEO work. These guys are the top three. They're getting 80% of the business. Now let's look at your website right now, just on the top. It's great. You got some videos there. Um, what you should have a little bit more of is some internal links for, like, from above Droneworks, maybe link to the About Us page. That's an internal link. It would really go a long way for you. I use Ahrefs as my website analysis tool and the software from that. Basically, your URL right now has no data, and your direct domain rating, which links back to your URL, is rated at 0. Basically, that looks like it's a brand new website. You have two backlinks, and the DR and the UR there are pretty low. So that's probably why you're not ranking higher in the Google Map Packs as well. Going back to this, you have zero keywords, zero organic keywords in your content. So on your web page, you have to put keywords in there, and you have to make sure that they're there. Like a great way to do that is to title your pictures and videos with keywords like drone photography El Paso, or that kind of thing. We'll look at Desert Shot. There, you can see their internal links there. Desert Shot, that'll take us to an contact us. That's pretty good. Their Ahrefs rating is very good. This is balanced. It's the first time I've ever seen a perfectly balanced UR-DR ratio. They want to be within 5 of whatever that reading is. So 16 and 16 is pretty good. They have 547 backlinks, and so it looks like he's been guest blogging, or he has a lot of businesses that are mentioning his business on their websites. And there's ways to do that where it goes links directly to your website, and Google likes that, and Bing as well. Organic keywords. Let's look at some of those. That looks like they're photography keywords. So this is all the stuff that shows up, and he's ranking pretty well with them. And really, the volume of these keywords is pretty high compared to how difficult it is to rank with those. So all that green means he's good to go. We can look at Mike Stone, and Mike Stone, he has a lot of videos embedded into his website, and I'm sure they're titled with keywords from YouTube. And Mike Stone has pretty tight URDR. It's 1.5, so they're within 5, and that's keeps him ranking high. I think his Google My Business profile is very strong and well put together, because with this, and his backlinks are only 31, so it's not like he's doing a whole lot there, but it does look like recently he's gotten to work on his website. His organic keywords, I've looked at them, they're a little strange. I don't know how he's even ranking with those keywords, but he is. And then Flying Pixels, they're also no URL score, but it's a 0.5 DR, and that's tight. So no data is basically a 0. He's using 22 organic keywords, and it looks like a lot of them are high volume, low difficulty. So flight imagery, that's a good one. Might want to use that one yourself. See, where am I? Got 20 seconds left. What I want to recommend is that you get some more backlinks from blog posts, start emphasizing the keywords on your website, and optimizing your Google My Business page to include photos and things like that. And that should do it. Thanks, Jeremy. I'll talk to you.